Okay, next is a video for a 2011 MINI Clubman, and we're going to reset the oil light and service light. We're going to turn the key on, and it looks like we're 6,000 behind on service. We're going to go to the end of the stalk here, the onboard computer button. Make sure everything's cleared out. I'm going to press and hold the trip button. I'll hold this down. You get your service light come up for oil. You're going to press and hold the end of the stalk. It's going to ask you if you want to reset, let up on it. Press it again and hold it. And it's going to reset the oil. We're going to press the stalk one more time. We're going to look at brakes. We're going to reset that. We're going to press and hold. Let up. Press and hold again. And it's going to reset for the front brakes. I'm going to press it again for the rear. Press and hold. Let up. Press and hold again. And it's going to reset for the rear brakes. And that's for the brake fluid. I'm going to leave that alone for now. Press again for the service. I'll leave that alone for now. And that's your procedures.